Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys a very easy and delicious salad. And this is just as like a side for any dish. Like I'm gonna have this with chicken today, and this is delicious. All you're gonna need are two Roma tomatoes, and the reason why I like Roma tomatoes is because they are like harder. Like as far as like a tomato, I like the consistency of it. And you're gonna have a lemon, a lime, red onion, avocado, salt and pepper to taste. And one last ingredient, if this is optional, you guys can get olive oil. Just drizzle a little bit of olive oil to add just a little bit of extra fat, especially if you are like on high fat like me. I'm on the keto diet, and this is a delicious salad, very refreshing. Right now it's super hot where we live, and this is a delicious side for any food. So I'll show you guys the end result, and I have a big bowl here, and I'll show you guys the result. Super easy and delicious. Okay, so here it is. Here's my two Roma tomatoes, half a small onion. I didn't use all of it. Half an avocado, which is gorgeous. And now we're gonna incorporate everything and put it in this bowl, and I'll show you guys my finished product. Okay everyone, so this is my final result. I am gonna add a little bit of avocado, and it is delicious. And I ended up adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and it tastes amazing. And I think I might add a little bit of oregano just to add a little nice flavor. So I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.